Hi, I'm Lindsay Martin with Finks Unlimited Collision here in Concord, North Carolina. So this is my father's shop, really. I'm here now running the day-to-day, but it started in our backyard. As a kid, this is all I heard, the noises or the smells. When I got in trouble, this is where I ended up working in the shop. So I've been around it my whole entire life. I guess I have a love for it. It's just in my memory bank. So we are in 2024 here at Finks Unlimited, and we needed to upgrade our equipment to stay along the lines of the ever-changing automotive industry. And we met Dave with Lombard Equipment. I actually met him through Carolina Collision Association, who we go to conferences and learn lots of things from. And thankfully, they connected me with Dave. Dave with Lombard spent an entire day with myself and our staff teaching us all the things we needed to know. He let us film. I felt fully educated by the time he left. And he's only a phone call away when we have more questions. The service couldn't have been better. In the future, Finks Unlimited will definitely be doing business again with Lombard Equipment.